Let me say this very clearly. ChatGPT is not just an AI tool. It is a career accelerator, a productivity engine, and when used correctly, it can literally change your net worth. I'm not speaking theory, I'm speaking from experience. As a YouTuber, a building engineer, and a real estate developer, ChatGPT has become my most powerful AI assistant. It has enhanced my creativity, sharpened my thinking, and helped me move from ideas to execution faster than ever. In this video, I'll show you how to give ChatGPT the right prompts, how to use it to deliver high-quality content, and how it can guide you from knowing nothing to delivering real projects in any career or profession. If you stay till the end, you will never use ChatGPT the same way again. Most people say ChatGPT is not that impressive, but the truth is they're using it wrongly. ChatGPT is not Google. If you treat it like a search engine, you'll get shallow answers. ChatGPT is a thinking partner. The quality of your result depends on the quality of your instruction. Here's the rule you must understand. ChatGPT does not reward curiosity. It rewards clarity. If your question is vague, your answer will be weak. If your prompt is clear and structured, the output will be elite. This is the biggest mistake people make. They ask ChatGPT, "What is this? How do I do that?" That's beginner-level usage. Instead, you must assign ChatGPT a role. Here's the mindset shift. Never ask ChatGPT what it knows. Tell it who it is, what it knows, and what you want. The 5-part professional prompt formula. Every powerful prompt has 5 elements. 1. Role, who ChatGPT should act as. 2. Context, your situation or background. 3. Objective, what you want to achieve. 4. Constraints, tone, format, quality. Level 5. Output format, how you want the result delivered. Once you master this, ChatGPT stops sounding generic and starts sounding like a senior consultant. Let me give you practical examples. For content creators and YouTubers, instead of asking, "Give me a YouTube script," you say, "Act as a senior YouTube content strategist. I run a channel focused on topic. Create a high-retention video script with a strong hook, storytelling, and a clear call to action. Target audience is poo. Tone should be authoritative but relatable. Output in a structured script format." That single prompt already puts ChatGPT in expert mode. For engineers, builders, and technical professionals, act as a senior project engineer and construction manager. I'm working on a type of project. Guide me step by step from concept to delivery, including planning, risk assessment, timeline, materials, and documentation. Assume intermediate knowledge. Output as a professional workflow. This is how ChatGPT helps you think like a boardroom, not like a beginner. From zero knowledge to project delivery, this one is powerful. Assume I know nothing about field. Design a structured learning and execution roadmap that takes me from beginner to delivering a real project in 90 days. Include skills, tools, milestones, and deliverables. This is how ChatGPT becomes your private mentor. Now this is where ChatGPT truly changes your productivity. Most people ask random questions. Professionals build repeatable workflows. The secret is simple. Don't use ChatGPT for tasks. Use it to design systems. Universal Workflow ChatGPT can help you build no matter your profession. 1. Problem or idea definition. 2. Research and knowledge structuring. 3. Planning and breakdown. 4. Execution support. 5. Review and optimization. Master workflow prompt. Act as a workflow automation consultant. Help me design an end-to-end workflow for task or project. Break it into repeatable steps that can be reused. Optimize for speed, quality, and scalability. Once you do this, you stop reinventing the wheel. This works across every discipline. Engineering, tech, project, management, content creation, business, consulting, even students. ChatGPT does not replace skill. It amplifies skill. Your net worth often follows your problem-solving capacity, and ChatGPT multiplies that capacity if you use it well. It doesn't make you lazy. It makes you faster, clearer, and more strategic. ChatGPT has helped me move from confusion to clarity, ideas to execution effort to efficiency. Used correctly, this tool can save you years of trial and error. The real question is not, is ChatGPT powerful? The real question is, do you know how to talk to it properly? If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe. And in the comments, tell me, back-end index pointing right, what profession or project do you want to use ChatGPT to dominate?